Hey guys, just wanted to share with you one of my favorite snacks. This is Snack Factory Pretzel Crisps, original deli style. They're really good. They're like flat pretzels. They're an excellent snack. I love these with hummus. I was just eating them with a little hummus. You could also do cheese, pepperoni, veggies on it, whatever you want to do. They're delicious and my kids love them too. Just FYI, a lot of them kind of come broken at the bottom, just like chips do. But this is what they look like. They're delicious. I love that they're extra crispy. They're non-GMO, project verified. You could crunch them, dip them, stack them. So you could actually make little sandwiches out of them too. The nutrition factor here, calories 110, total carbs 24 grams, protein 2 grams, not a significant source of protein or anything, but the calorie count isn't bad. That's for 11 crackers. And if you're having it with hummus or a snack, they're definitely, nice and filling. So I went through like more than half a bag already, and I just opened this yesterday because the kids were snacking on it too. It's like one of their favorite things, and I don't feel bad about giving it to them because it's not like it's like a fried snack or anything. They're thin, they're crunchy, they're fun to eat. This is a 7.2 ounce bag, but you could also get a larger size if you wanted to. They're original deli style. They also come in different flavors. I've also tried like the buffalo flavor and the everything. It's like an everything bagel flavor. Those are all good. This is the original, which I like to stick to this when I'm like putting hummus and stuff on it. They're excellent.